What, Sharky? You want to bring Patty out and get a tour of Taipei? Okay, Patty. Smisky and Sharky will bring you to the shopping district of Taipei. This is Simending. We're just gonna look, okay? We're just gonna look, okay? We are just gonna look, okay? Let's see what's here. We are at Simending area to look for things. Just look, okay? We're just looking. Looking, not buying anything. We are just looking and looking and looking. This is your tour, Patty. We are still just looking around. We don't need to buy anything. We'll buy things when we are ready to go home. Okay? Just looking. This is the Rainbow Road, where a lot of tourists take pictures. You want a solo shot too? Okay, let's wait for everyone to go away, okay? Let's wait for everyone to go away.